You said there's a place that we could go when we really used to take a Sunday slow. Back then you hold my hand a little longer, eyes a little younger, hair a little blonder, and we take a walk around the lake. Silence between us, it isn't gonna break, and the sun is sinking down. I might never say it if I don't say it now. Baby, where's home now? Valleys of the mountains calling your name out and all mine. Baby, where's home now? 'Cause I could use it just about anything. Silence the doubt. Daylight's running out. Running out. And the winter came and the winter went, yeah. Do you find yourself wishing it was different? Packed my car and I just started driving. I want the best for you.